Let's analyze. Is in love with Omo Bliss. If you never put married man for this kind of situation, you're not going to understand. Me understand what Enogie they go through. And I understand what Omo Bliss do to Enogie. So Omo Bliss don't put Enogie for love. Enogie is in love with Omo Bliss. Forgetting say wife when he marry, now wife when he say you won't spoil her, more spoil and finish. Forgetting say wife when he marry, not be our mama time, wife not being married. Wife when he marry, in come second before the children. The children come first for where he wife they. Enogie forget that one. Say wife when he marry, not be wife when he go say, mo will cover matter. He go do me anything when he won't do me. Enogie forget that one. You know why? Because Omo Bliss don't put Enogie in love. Enogie is jealous. Now jealousy cause all this one. Enogie can they fall in love with Omo Bliss. Omo Bliss was happy. They can they plan how they want to born twins boys. Ha God. May God not let us dey inside water, make soap enter while. Mama Nora just dey inside us. Omo Bliss just they plan within the plan. On the other hand, Enogie can't get arrival. Who be Enogie arrival? People when they use IT they wash Enogie as Omo Bliss they dish lion arts. They can say, we'll go meet this woman, we'll go meet this girl. They can't follow Enogie the dragon. Because Enogie they jealous now. Enogie not know how to control his jealousy. Enogie can't they talk to Omo Bliss anyhow. Why Omo Bliss na baby girl when be say na soft life? Now she wants. Just tell me sweet stuff. Tell me waiting you want for me. I give you waiting I want for. Now so Omo Bliss be. As Enogie they give and sweet stuff. They give and all those harsh word. Why he don't get another single guy when be say he never marry? Now that one go better pass Nabi. Who won't marry man when he don't marry? So Omo Bliss when they switch they go the other guy. And Enogie was so jealous. Enogie for in mind say, wait, I won't use it to do before. I beg you. But inside in mind, Enogie love Omo Bliss. This matter for no comments. When Omo Bliss now see say Enogie they do anyhow, he can go gift Goya. Enogie spark. You don't make man fall in love, married man fall in love when he say you go they complain your matter to your wife. Without you no go no say in they complain your matter to your wife. It's side chick, you go they complain side chick matter to wife. Now be waiting on Bliss do Enogie. Now waiting on Bliss do Enogie be that. Enogie never understand say in take gum shooting leg by himself. Now he never understand because he's in love. That's why I say they verse they shot. Now lie, now love. Now love. Now love. Bliss use what she have to get what she wanted. Bliss need fame, but she can't get the fame in the wrong way. You can't forget that Enogie they do it. You forget that Enogie they do it. But if they don't they blood, or they blood. If Enogie they verse, Enogie can scatter everything once. Bliss can't forget that one. Bliss need fame, but not be this kind of fame, not be Bliss need. Bliss not be person who need trouble. You know? So, Enogie no first sit down tell the wife say, Mama Nora or my wife, see what I don't do. I know say I do bad, I beg forgive me. I don't know what happened to me. He forgets. He can't bring her on social media. He can't bring her on social media. He can't de threaten Bliss. You get it? He can't de threaten Bliss because Enogie is in love with Bliss. Bliss don't to give her sweet words. He don't to give her assurance. You don't know all those kind of assurance. He don't to give her assurance. But Enogie, because of Enogie jealousy, he not feel calm down to say, okay, make I talk her over. Because you know when you say, I want something or I don't want something. And Enogie guardian angel or the Holy Spirit don't they tell Enogie say, this road we won't pass, so it's not good though. It's not good because of more Bliss, now money, they attract men. Not be beauty, now money. All those kind of women, they attract men. We get two for Ireland. One day Dublin, one day for what do they call her? Not too far for us here. One they don't beat one 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. When they use one a passport, they bring come out. You show your passport like this. I'm for Ireland. I'm from Ireland. Can you come to Ireland? Just they look at. They don't do breast. They don't do tummy. They don't do nyash. Fine, they're not fine. They go say put fitter. They're not fine. So, all this old scenario, na jealousy, na ikosa. In case you when they talk say, Enogie not love Nah lie, Enogie love Bliss. If Enogie not love Bliss, Enogie for tell your wife as Bliss, tell and say, I like you. Enogie for the transfer all the information to your wife. Now jealousy make Enogie do it and do so. Lot of men, they are doing it. Staying with your wife, you go to talk to another woman. When the matter will come, you won't come switch the matter to the other girl. I don't blame Mama Bliss. I don't blame Enogie either. I don't blame Mama Nora because not be Mama Nora business. Mama Nora, they doing your thing. Man, when you can't go carry shame, come. He go by himself carry shame now. He go by himself carry shame. Because I don't feel listening. When I go they listen to the video when as Enogie they proclaim love to Bliss. Bliss they tell her sweet word. Before man tell you say may you give her sweet word, he's enjoying it. And Enogie love women that said sweet stuff to him. And Bliss know how to set a trap to catch any man when he won't catch. So he do they say, okay, if I don't born for you now, if I don't born that twins boys for you now, we'll come saga mommy Nora. That was what their plan is. That was their plan. So men when they do you when they say my husband, I trust my husband cannot do this, it's okay. You never see woman when you go enter your husband high. You never see woman when you go convince your husband. Bliss don't convince Enogie when be say Enogie don't know what thing can they do again. Enogie for not bring this matter out because of the love. Don't too much say this girl won't leave me now. This girl make I just disgrace her. May everybody all men for no, I made it for no go. Now lie, men are seen in that girl platform, in that girl inbox. Men are seen in that girl inbox. Enogie is a man. Enogie just fall victim for Bliss because you know everybody cannot. We are not perfect. We are not perfect. Now where Enogie for a weakening point might be that one. Enogie weakening point be that one, and Bliss know it. That is why you go for it. So guys, see you guys. If you be woman, you know sabi check your husband phone. Me I know the check. If I see her, I know how to deal with you. If you know they check your husband phone, they check your husband phone. Bye guys.